Hello everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video, and today I'm going to talk about four-way switches. Specifically, the wiring configurations for three-way and four-way switches, and the terminals on a four-way switch. Now, this is just a regular four-way switch, alright, toggle four-way. You've got input and output. Okay, your input comes in on these screws, two black screws, and output goes out on the gold screws. Now, one thing to know about four-way switches is the input output really doesn't matter as long as you keep one pair on the same colored screws and the other pair on the different colors. So it doesn't matter if your switch leg side and your power side on a three-way, four-way, three-way setup, doesn't matter which side of the four-way you have it hooked up on. On a three-way switch, okay, you have a common terminal and you have two travelers. You've got a wire coming from your circuit breaker. It goes to this black screw, okay. You've got two travelers on these bronze or gold colored screws that come from this first three-way to the four-way. Now, it doesn't matter which one, as long as that pair it can go to input or out. The switch is going to work either way, okay? If you put it here, okay, this, theoretically, you want to put it here. If you put it here, it's still going to work. It's still going to work, okay? If you get black and red, I always put the red on this side and the black on that side. So, as long as you have black and red here and black and red here, it'll work. Now on your other switch, you've got the black and the red coming out, coming in here, and then your switch loop or leg going out is here to the lights. Okay, so that's on a regular toggle three-way, four-way, three-way. Now, this is a Decora or rocker four-way rocker switch. Now, the difference with this is that you've got, and it's pretty much the same situation, you've got input and output. But, okay, on here it's top and bottom. You've got coming in on the top, out on the bottom, or in, out. Here it's side to side. Now, you've got coming in this side, going out that side. You got your input here, your output here. Alright, this is a 15 amp four-way rocker switch. But that's something that you need to remember, is that these have input on one side, output on the other side, input on the bottom, output on the top. Now, on some three-way switches, you will find that, let me see if I've got one. Here we go. On some of them, the screw arrangement is different. As you can see, this manufacturer does, their common is here, and it's even labeled common. You've got your two travelers. This one, you see the difference. So that's one thing that you have to keep track of, is when you pull out the switch, different manufacturers have different arrangements for wiring. Now, I've seen guys put the switch in this way, ground up, ground down all the time. I always put the ground on the bottom. It's just like a receptacle. So that's basically that in a nutshell, if you know what I mean. Now, some four-way switches are not labeled at all, and you can own that out. I will do a separate video on that, on how to actually find whether a four-way switch is top and bottom or side to side. So I just wanted to share that with y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.